Ebusia yamwachi yamwaha yamwajo ebio Ghana TV eso eni audience modern first time near one like ya modern say obe like obe subscribe obe follow na wa comment we ya no we mia share wa wona gombia kese e de amofofro no so etimi anya bi ahwe pepepe na the flight enen so ya san ama ye musu pepepe obosie ensem etwa gu bo wiasa fa na nyina na etimi e de eba besom eni ti abre nyina me tro say adwuma a wo ye no so fa bra beda nyina etimi mahu de ro kese emfa ema na bibia etimi enkoso kama ya de asida kese ena be ma ya boafo abre na bi no etimi eboye na chido ma ya great and glow cosmetics sanso na general foods and Kinaata ba center enti wodi ase modern didie srenku papa what you see we are not for your kodwo apom de hwehwe mu nyina de free Kinaata ba center for akache. My name is Nana K Jesia Branch and I remain your humble father tebusia my sima ne na ne ho sima afi ye ba de wom bia no ye de beto aso ama
me wo London baby am wo ye Walthamstow wo we hie nkun yi bi se wo Manchester wo Birmingham wo Northampton wo Southampton Milton Keynes outside London bebia wo contact me mami wusu anase Helena bebia wo bia so far as wo betua wo postage ye be postu e de abrel se wo ye kokko se wo ye tuntum wo ye ho ne ho kala bia wo ye wo bi ho ye fita be enkun bia wo pe bia wo benya bi ana obi wo ho a wasra I had enkun no odin no na ma ne kala no ni body na ye basa hydroquine no asay kala no na se wunya glitter and glow na wo start beginning no ube hu se repair wo kala no ube ye kama ube ye kama say de mi gina hoy small girl hey enku no baby nya fe na wo betete samna asra wo ho obi wo na nso oben ye wo na nso oben cream ye wo can I say stretch marks bibia anomu ye wo whitening wo se wo a wo ye kokko wo ye fita wo pese wo ye fita bibia wo pa wo hwe wo ringe Santiago kra anase na brown wo Ghana enku bia wo pe bia wo benya bi na me de me kan landing for contact me a bibia wo bia me de bebrel me wo fie 24 hours enti anytime bia wo pesa wo frɛ me numbers me enu nyina so a ba bia wo bia de how bia wo ka kyerɛ me a me sort problem na ma glitter and glow na ye wia ne aba organic product nso konkonte enkate rere edie esese kwa de wache powder ye wo Preko powder ye wo ginger powder ye wo honey wo ho bibia konkonte ye echese enwo zomi everything bibia wo de wo hwehwe sa product ya Ghana hwehwe Nana Brown anase Mr Santiago eba London so a contact mami wusia Helena bebia wo bia no ye di bibebro bibia wo ho wache powder kran so e wo ho enti bibia ni ho a wo hwehwe a won sanka enti ni nyina ye glit and glow.
Piao, ebusia yesa mo akwa bio Ghana TV asu ni audience won subscribe ya bomode so be subscribe obe follow obe comment na afia ebusia na ase adore papa ma bibia timi akoso kama ebusia yi ye ebusia wo se asu wo man Ghana ha sei esikafo bebre na na ewa ha nanso e ba na mpuntuo pa na ho akwa de obe sie na hwan na emfa de sika nkoye na so ye ebusia se wo man Ghana betima fa ne ntoma pa e de afira pa de a ye nyadi ho adanse ye se na me ya doma afia de ni me ya bato amanfo dodo na na ebo nkwantene an na to abama me meba be ye osie na busuyen amse unnim se wo man Ghana mu no se bi enye nipa ba ko na wo private jet na ye se busuan so a o man Ghana mu amanyofo ahe na se bi ya ukura enwuma kase pa ye beka se omuma meye omuma menya di bia ye sombu bia enso no they are still contributing their quota to the growth of this very country. And komotwetwe bia koso a honorable Kennedy Agyapong Akom Preko was saying wano sabi it's not about the money but it's about his heart to serve this country and then to take this country to the another level. Now no just say komotwetwe mo chema was saying enye ni sika wo no wonka say oba bepe o man Ghana sika nampo ono wanka say kwa ne private jet, you know, he's a big man for himself was saying the private jet krampo no what they say 1 billion US dollars and a cocoto and no crampono say be our babet na be mu akonya so a not even the state country enye wo mani si campo and our de ba baby on one can say is a multi-billionaire on its own but say na be ya adwuma no betime CPS na di bia ye de ahye ne nsa no obetimi aye na waye ne ye enti na wo prese that chin bia no Ghana for enye ne mugidie na ye fe yento aba emfa ema no ono abukan de Agyapong wo say ni play na wato no say bi any size any seso na ni fie nko akrampo no wontimi enkan na ni nyina mu no wo say wo pese Ghana ni bia so entimi endie enti enye say bia wo dwa nanum na busua say na nkomatwetwe ne si course no de yenko na fefa waso eni wani kwana kwahwe ono abo Kennedy Akom Preko Agyapong ensema abo kan bi yeba afi de won bia no yebeto aso ama ho.
You want to buy a private jet someday?
Don't worry. Now, I've established enough businesses.
Right.
You know, it was a young girl who advised me. I have all the pictures. I actually deposited 1 million
to buy a jet.
To buy the jet.
Oh.
One day, a lady came from US. Dubai. Real estate. She was into real estate. She went with me and inspected some of the lands that I have. And she said, Honorable, I'm a young girl, but I hear you want to buy plane and all those things. With these lands that you have, why don't you use the money to develop it? In fact, I felt so bad that this young girl gave me smart advice, and I took her advice,
right,
irrespective of her age. But now I think after the steel plant, well, I have a paint. Is also
you have a paint company as well?
Coming up.
Wow.
When I'm done with that,
you get a jet.
I will get my jet.
And you're into real estate as well. I hear you have loads of houses in East Legon. Over 100. Yeah. Is that true? Somebody just told me this afternoon.
It's not up to 100 in East Legon.
Okay.
Other places put together is 257.
257 houses?
Yes.
No. Obesi na enya na wasumwa. Yadi asra kese na bema ya boafo abrenya bi nyom timi boya chidom ya Clayton Grow Cosmetics sanso na General Organ Foods and Kinaata ba center. Ade to odi asebo modern ko na copy o market free numbers na edi ehim o TV no ase na afio muntimi emboa o papa. Yadi asre bio na bema won so otimi gibre ehwe ya asre bio enko enfama me producers on duty. Ya Edmond Poku Church fucking back sanso no ba afia ba fi. I remain your humble pilot Nana K Jesse Abrantie. Have a wonderful good morning, good evening, good afternoon. Ebrese mu no bese anu de hye Macrao.
Oh, Doc. Yes, I wanna know why I did. Who knows why she I've said to Antonia, no, send a young cook. So when your stomach was up, said the young husband, so I become. But then, crying, meaning said if you be forcing I don't know.
Test results natural say when you malaria when the moji.
Yeah, 3D.
Yes, malaria. Nani yem no so we no here. Tinatet tomac and a tinatet malake. Famano nano ho betono.
Malake, anything at tomac. I'm on my free.
Kinaata malake, eyema obi a wanya malaria fever. Na Kinaata tomac mixture, eyema obi a wanya heartburn, indigestion, na ne yem eye ne ya. Kinaata tedroi, FDA ahwehwe magye atum se eye.